Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox app slow download speed on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video useful. Now, first of all, we're going to go to the Xbox app and then we're going to right click and then go to the app settings. From here, we're going to search down below until we see the terminate button, first to close it fully, and then we're going to click on repair. And this will repair the application from any extra cache or anything that has been saved before that we would not like. Now, for the most important step, I'm going to close this, and then from here we're going to go to Windows Update. Now from here, the Windows Update, we're going to go to the advanced options, and then we're going to go to delivery optimization. Then turn off this setting right here, turn it off right there. And then from here, we're going to go to advanced options and we can set any absolute throttles or any bandwidths specifically made for this application. And we're going to remove any limits that we would not like. After that, simply restart your computer and now you'll have faster downloading speeds for both the Microsoft Store and the Xbox app. Now, just to be sure 100%, simply search for the Microsoft Store, right click it and then go to app settings, and then from here we're going to go down and do the exact same process where we're going to terminate it and then click on repair, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.